Hi everyone, so welcome to this video. In this video, we will be talking about Capgemini hiring 2026. So finally, Capgemini announced a very big hiring opportunity for 2026 batch. In this video, we will be talking about the hiring opportunity in the detail. Also, we will be talking about the exam pattern. Also, one thing which is important, which I want to tell you guys, that there are two types of hiring. For some college, it is only female only hiring. For some colleges, it is all eligible hiring, means everyone can apply in the hiring opportunity in some colleges, and in some colleges only female students are eligible to apply. Okay, it's an on campus opportunity. Also, we will be discussing each and everything in detail. Also, one thing which I want to tell you, if you want a free series, just comment down free series on this video. And we already made a free series last time on Capgemini, and I will be uploading so much content for free on YouTube for Capgemini. So you can comment free series. If you guys will show the support to us, definitely we will be making the free content for all of you. So you can comment free series on this video. Okay, apart from this, one thing which I want to share with you guys, that is very important, that the last year the difficulty level of Capgemini was easy. Okay, easy to medium you can say, but this year, especially this year, the level of Capgemini is medium to hard. Like, you will be starting your exam with English assessment. The level of the English assessment is easy only, but after that they have the technical assessment and the coding round, that is medium to hard. Okay, so according to the pay package, according to the roles, the difficulty they have increased this year. I will be talking about that also. Second thing, in Capgemini, basically, they have also like included the game based questions. So game based questions are easy only, that is not too much difficult. And apart from that, there are the interviews. Main two difficult rounds are technical assessment and the coding assessment. We will be talking about the exam pattern also in the detail. So let's start with all the details. Before going ahead, I want to talk about this one, which is Arjun series. So guys, if you want to prepare for Capgemini or any other company, you can enroll in Arjun series mock test for all assessments. So this course will be containing the mock test for every company. So basically in Capgemini also, whatever they are asking, everything is included here. So in Capgemini, they also ask like DSA technical MCQs, right? They ask CS fundamentals mainly in the technical assessment. So you can see here there are more than 3 to 400 questions are available for practice with a timer. So many like mock tests are available for CS fundamentals. Apart from this, very important thing is pseudo codes. So for pseudo codes, we have provided a separate section. You can check here. This is a 6 hour and 21 minutes section of pseudocode. So a lot of pseudocodes you will be getting here for practice. You will be getting the screenshots also of the actual questions. Also, we provided for gamified assessment a lot of like games we have provided for practice. Also, you will be getting the numeric puzzles if you want to read. And for English, we have provided the verbal assessment. So a lot of things for Capgemini you will be also getting here, and for any other company if you want to prepare in future. So you can enroll in Arjun series. In future, even if TCS is coming or any other company is coming, you will be getting a lot of mock test of verbal, reasoning, quantitative aptitude. So it will cover everything for your future purpose. So you can enroll in this. Okay, let's start with Capgemini. So we will be discussing about each and everything about Capgemini. Let's start, and make sure to like this video. Okay, we are aiming the maximum likes on this video. It's Capgemini hiring 2026. First of all, this is your registration link. Okay, in which you can see here Capgemini invites you to Superset to apply for its software engineer Capgemini Exela 2025-2026 position. Complete the registration and apply. The date to apply is 14th of January. So 14th of January is the deadline, and before 12 p.m. you need to apply. The application deadline closes in 11 days. And this is the JD which they have shared. Okay, I will be talking about both the JDs. So it is for final year BTech all branches. Okay, and instruction for the from the company for the students. This email outlines the diverse offering, the process, and the specific guidelines for all the profiles. Please review the details throughout, and make sure to inform the students about these updates. So analysts, they are offering 4.25 lakhs, 4 LPA plus 25k one time bonus. For analysts, they are offering for 5.75, 5.5 LPA and 25k joining bonus. For senior analysts, they are offering 7.5. ठीक है. So it is basically analyst, it is analyst prime, and it is senior analyst. These are the three roles. Okay. For the female students, in some colleges, only for female it is coming. So registration started, they have mentioned at 2nd of January. Registration ended again 14th of January. English assessment schedule is on 17th of January, and technical assessments are scheduled on 24th of January. Okay. Analyst, they are offering, and senior analyst they are offering. So for different colleges there are different processes. Let's discuss about the JD. Okay, let's discuss about the JD and everything. So this is the JD. Okay, let's discuss about it. So first of all, I hope you guys already liked this video. So we will talk about the JD. So the process is like this. So first of all, there is registration plus screening. Then there is English assessment, technical assessment, coding assessment, cognitive assessment, and technical interview. Okay, this is the whole process. Let's discuss about this. So first of all, there is English assessment. So for English assessment, they will be assessing you on listening, speaking, reading, and writing in the first round of the assessment, which will be virtual. Okay, so this is a virtual assessment. This is the virtual assessment, and it is a SVAR test. SVAR test means, just search on YouTube or Google anywhere SVAR. That means a machine will be analyzing you. Okay, there will be listening. Listening means you will be listening some audios. Based on your audios, whatever you are listening, you need to answer some questions. Okay, so you will be hearing some audios. Based on the audio, you will be giving the answer of some questions. Okay, so this is called listening. Then there is speaking. So basically, there will be some questions in which you need to speak on some topic. You will be speaking on some topic, or there will be some question in which you will be repeating the audios. Okay, reading, you will be just reading the sentences, and writing, in the writing you may be having email or essay writing. Email or essay writing. So you will be getting a topic. On that topic, either you need to write a email or a essay. Okay, so this is your English assessment. Generally this is a elimination round. Okay, but most of the times, like 90% to 95% of students easily crack it. Okay, 90 to 95% students easily crack it. Then after that, there is a technical assessment. So technical assessment consider of data structures, algorithm, fundamentals of database, cloud, and networking. For the role specific of your stream, technical assessment will comprise for the stream specific topics. Now this is one of the most important thing which I want to discuss. This assessment will be containing 40 to 50 questions. Okay, and it will be a CS fundamentals technical MCQ test. Okay, now why this is very important? Because first of all, they ask pseudo codes in it. They ask pseudo codes in it, and you will be getting a lot of pseudo codes here. Like you can expect like 25 pseudo codes around here. Okay, so around 25 pseudo codes you can expect. So a lot of pseudo codes they will be asking. The main thing is you need to be very good at coding and pseudo codes, and very big codes. Okay, because the level of the pseudo codes is hard in this. Okay, the level of the pseudocode is very hard in this. So actually this is the assessment in which you will be needing a lot of preparation. From my side, I will try to include like hard questions also in our mock test. So in the mock test, we have a lot of pseudocode. Because of Capgemini only, we have included a lot of pseudocode. Also the hard level pseudocode we have included. So you will be getting a lot of mock test. You can see here pseudocode 1, 2, pseudocode easy, recursion medium hard, pseudocode bit operations, tree traversal, graph data structure, tree. Okay, a lot of pseudocodes I will also try to add now. Okay, already 6 hours and 21 minutes pseudocodes are added. These are all the mock test. Okay, for practice. So we have already included that in our course. So pseudocode is the one thing which you need to practice a lot. Okay, apart from this, there will be databases, cloud, and networking. So fundamentals of databases means SQL, okay, and DBMS. So for this also we have included in our CS fundamentals. You can check in CS fundamentals, we have included here DBMS. You can see here a lot of mock tests, like 4 mock tests we have added. For SQL, we have included the separate mock test. So a lot of mock tests you will be getting for SQL and CS fundamentals also, like DBMS. And for cloud and networking also, we have included the mock test. Okay, so cloud and networking. So you can see here security and cloud, networking, security cloud, and we have included SB also. SB means situational based. Why? Because in Capgemini you will be getting situational based question. So specifically for Capgemini, only because of Capgemini we have included these sets which are situational based mock test. Okay, so you can use these for practice. Now they have coding assessment. So when you will complete your test, in which there will be 25 pseudocodes and 15 CS fundamentals, after that there will be coding assessment. You will be getting two coding questions. The level of the coding questions will be medium. Okay, so it is not easy, it is the level of medium, like medium coding questions you will be getting. Not easy, not hard, medium level of coding questions you will be getting. The programming languages which are allowed is C, C++ and Java. Okay, and after that you will be having the cognitive assessment. So cognitive assessment is basically game based assessment. You will be getting four games which you need to play, and you need to score good in the games. Okay, so four games you will be getting here for Capgemini, and you need to complete them. Okay, you need to complete them, and these four games will be switch game, challenge, and these kind of four games you will be getting. I already made a video on this. Okay, and then there will be interviews. So see, if you will clear the technical assessment, which will be concluding technical, coding, and cognitive. Okay, for technical MCQs, the score is like the cutoff will be not much high, because as it is a difficult round, so the cutoff will be not much high, but you should score very very good in this. For coding, previously it was not mandatory, now the round is mandatory. Okay, so this coding actually affect a lot on the analyst prime role and senior analyst. See, even if your performance is very very bad, then maybe you will be rejected based on your coding score. But even if you have low score in coding, you get shortlist for analyst role. Okay, analyst role. If you score average, you will be getting shortlisted for analyst prime, and if you score very very good, you will be getting shortlisted for senior analyst. So coding affect a lot on your role selection. And game based round is basically a qualifying kind of round. Qualifying, that means you should match the qualifying score. The score which will be added for your roles will be the coding assessment and the technical assessment. This gamified assessment is only for the qualifying purpose, but for your final selection, the coding assessment and technical assessment is very important. Then there is interviews. If you will clear all the assessments, you will be proceeding with the interviews. Okay, so this will be your process. Again, the link of the mock test series you will be getting in the description. Arjun series, which will be containing all the things which are required for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching.